Hi Felicities, this is Jean Victor and you're tuned into the channel with no name. Don't mind the air purifier in the background. I am actually doing a very quick update video of this beauty that just came in. It came in yesterday by a UPS from Leather Surgeons, and this, let me just put my hand right here. This is my Vintage Lady Dior, or an older model of the Lady Dior in lambskin with red, in the color red with gold hardware. It does have a strap, but like I said, this just arrived from getting refurbished at Leather Surgeons all the way in the East Coast, and it is amazing. They have basically pretty much like 98% of the deforming, with the exception that like light curve right here. It is pretty much back into its original shape and status. They did a touch up with the color, and also one of the things I really want to know, I don't know if I'll have old pictures that'll show it, but they basically cleaned and fixed the handles in terms of, if you look at it, I don't know if you can, this used to be deformed, the handles, and so now they're actually like back to their flat oval shape. And so just wanted to model it, and really quick, I am wearing my Zara tita sandals, and tita in Tagalog is auntie because I just feel like all the Filipino aunties would wear this, and this thrifted jumpsuit. And I'm super excited just because this is actually like one of my favorite bags next to my vintage Hermes Kelly. And instead of buying new, when you get like higher quality items, what you can do is you can get it repaired. And so I definitely recommend going and checking out Leather Surgeons. This was roughly about like $300, and honestly, for the price, it's worth it because it's gonna give this bag more light. This is it really quick with the shoulder strap, how it looks on this side. You know, I'm super excited for once this quarantine is officially over, when all the data and science and the different protections we've had are readily available and being properly executed, just because I do want to go out. When I go out right now, my go-to bag is my Coach Cassie, and I just can't wait to wear colorful bags. And it's not actually this bright, it is a little deeper red. I don't know why both my camera from my Google Pixel as well as my Canon picks it up as a lot brighter, but it is immaculate. Yeah, and this is how it looks. Like I said, this was done by Leather Surgeons, and I've used them 2 times, and I definitely think they're worth it. And definitely when you invest in higher pieces, what's really great is that, you know, it can be repaired, it can be refurbished. And so let's say you spend, you know, $10,000 on a bag, let's just say. Instead of buying that same bag again for another $10,000, you spend a couple hundred to get it fixed, and you still have that old bag, and now, you know, it's like plastic surgery, but then trying to be sustainable and resourceful when it comes to bags. And so yeah, I'm really enjoying it being back, and I just love seeing it paired right there with my customized Lady Dior. So yeah.